So hello here. I'm going to add a calendar in my Google Calendar, and if you have like some kind of a custom calendar that you need to do this one, so like you can see all your calendars. You can make all your calendars different kind of calendars here. So if you select your calendar, then only it will show up here. So like I had a calendar here, so it shows up here. So but like I don't have I'm deactivating that one right now, or like I can activate, right? So you can see. So if your calendar is not selected, then you will not be able to see your calendars in your Google Calendar. So just make sure your calendar is selected, the calendar that you want to make. And if you want to make like different calendars, you can always create a calendar here by adding calendars, right? And create a new calendar. Let's say here, I'll just say test calendar here, right? And then you can add, so what time zone you can add, and then you can create a calendar. And once you do that, your calendar will be added here. So now on this calendar, if you want to add some calendars, something like that, so that means, and then you can go back. Once you did this, calendar is done, and then you can see your test calendar, right? So right now I'll just deactivate this one, and I'll birthday, and then I have this test calendar, just in case if you want to create a separate calendar list for everything. And so here, there are like sometimes the calendar which is not repeated every week or every day, but they are like every first Sunday or first Monday or third Monday of the month, something kind of like that. So you can always do that. So this is, let's say, which is this like now, first, second, third Tuesday, right? Okay. So let's say third Tuesday calendar, right? Or like, schedule. Right, I can do that one, and then so I can add times, right? And then here's our Tuesdays, and then I can just say it's not all day, so then you can say 10:30 a.m. all right, to 11:30 a.m. just in case. I'm just pinging some random, and now here see does not repeat daily, weekly on Tuesday, monthly on the third Tuesday, annually on. So here monthly on third Tuesday, or like it repeats like a Monday, Wednesday, Thursday. You can say custom, and you can click the day, right? Every Tuesday or whatever. But right now, I can also, or like you can say like repeat every month, right? Month on day of 19 or month on Tuesday, and ends after or like on, or where you if you have like a specific date, then you can pick a date at what date it will end, or you can also say like after like 12 occurrence, or like this suppose you are taking a course and this is like having this course is for like 12 classes or like 14 classes, you can just increase the number of like a occurrence, so until that one. And for now I'll just say, you suppose you have like something that is repeating every Tuesday, so I'll just say never. So repeat every month, monthly on the third Tuesday, and ends never. And you can say done, and then you save it. And then if you want to add some guest, you can also add that guest, and you can add some like a Zoom link or whatever, right? So if you want to add your Zoom link, uh, join to the Google Meet, or you can just say description in the descriptions. You can add your Zoom link, how you gotta meet, right? And then more options. Let's see what do I have in our more options. Yeah, so if you go to the more options, so this thing will open up, right? And you can put your Zoom link or like in a location, right? So like let's say let's pick a Zoom date. So like I'll just create one a random Zoom ID, not Zoom ID, I mean to say Zoom meeting. So let's say it's loading. My Zoom is loading. Oh, hold on a second. Where is my Zoom? It's loading. Hold on. But you got an idea, right? So either you can put like a Zoom thing, or like you can put a Google Meet, right? So if you have like a Google Meet, you can add a Google Meet conference and all those kind of thing. And like for now, if I say this is my Zoom here. So now I'll just create a new meeting here. Okay. So this is my personal Zoom, so not from my work. Hold on a second, what's happening? Okay, so now I don't want to start. Leave meeting. Okay, so schedule and okay. I missed Zoom meeting, right? And then let's say I am saving this one schedule and like here, copy. Okay, so it's automatically saying copy to text my calendar, right? And then I'll just say here. Come on. Okay, so now. Right, so I got this Zoom link and Zoom ID, and then I'll paste it here, right? And then I'll just say save, right? And also you can say which calendar you want to save it. You can save it in different calendars, and you can also say like give a color. And here this is busy, so put busy. So otherwise, because if someone is booking a time, just in case if you have like in your calendar, if you put free, then someone can schedule on this time if you don't put it busy. But when you put it busy, so other will not able to schedule a time in this particular time in your calendar, right? And that is for the next level. So like if you are opening this calendar for like booking, and like visibility, so who you want to see. So default visibility means like everyone can see it, or the public, or you can put a private, right? This is just for you, and you can set a busy, and you can put a descriptions, right? Here how to set up a calendar, or like or whatever informations, and then you click save, and then here Tuesday, right? So now here it is in Tuesday, so the third, and if I go to the next month, third Tuesday, first, second, third, and if you go again here, first, second, third, right? And it will keep on going for all third Tuesday. So similarly, you can do for like every third Wednesday or third Thursday, or like if you have like a different meeting on Tuesday at different time, so you have to do that for one particular month, and then it will automatically repeat, and you can set it up that way. And also like if you don't select this one, you will not be able to see it, right? Because now I didn't put anything in my calendar here. So this is here, and then test calendar. Then if I put my test calendar on, then here you can see both calendars. If you don't select your calendar, then you will not be able to see it. Okay, so I hope this will help you to set up a different kind of a calendar, and life will be easy. So, and then all the links will be there. So basically I do this, in my case, I do this in my iCalendar. So this is my calendar here. So I just set it up in this way here. So all my calendars are here, and I share with my family, and so that and my son, so that everyone is in the same page, and they will understand, oh, okay, what I need to do. Okay, so that's it, and thank you for watching my video, and I hope you will. Okay, so now since I said the Zoom calendar, so now Zoom is reminding me. But anyway, so thank you for watching this, and I hope like it will make your life easy in scheduling a calendar. And if you have any further questions, let me know, and I can make like in more detail, or like any questions concern, then I can address in that next video if you want.